Hey, thanks for coming back to KG's Garage. This is Keith. I'm gonna tell you a little story here. I'm gonna show you what I'm doing, and stay till the end to see the results of this, of what happens here. So, my son, while he was a little bit younger, we have a 2014 Honda Odyssey with leather seats in it. He got a hold of a pen. At first, he would draw on the seat. That would come off. That would be fine. There was one day where he got frustrated and poked a whole bunch of holes in the seat, and we didn't do anything with it. We just left it, and then the holes got bigger, 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 and then eventually he started ripping the leather off the seat. I went to go get an estimate on getting the seat reupholstered. So there's a cut in the back part, and then the part you sit on is just trash. So to replace like 2 or 3 panels, it was going to cost like $200. So I looked online, went to car-part.com, and on that site you can look up parts from wrecked vehicles all over the country. So there's a local place over here by me. Called them up. They didn't have the seat, but they can get it. Took a couple days. I had to go pay for it. So I paid for it like 3 or 4 days later, and the seats came in. I think I bought the seats for like a little over $100 each, and the seats I'm talking about are the middle row, like captain chairs, in a 2014 Honda Odyssey leather. So I went that route, and I picked the seats up yesterday, and you can't really, when you're looking at the pictures, you see a wrecked car, and they keep the cars outside, and they're going to be a little bit dirty and stuff like that. But check this out. Here's the one seat. It's pretty filthy. You can see it's got old dust on it. It looks like it was a jack or something sitting here on the seat. This seat is I bought both seats. The seat that is messed up is the driver's side one in the back. So that's this seat here, and I just cleaned this one. Yeah, there's still a little bit of stuff on it, which I'll scrub a little bit more. That should come off. And there's some glue here. I'm gonna get some like goof off, whatever. It's sticky. They had a sticker on the headrest, or I'll see what the headrest look like in the car, and maybe I'll take the headrest out of the car and put it in. But I just want to show you. So this is what the seat looks like now. This one I already cleaned, but I'm just going to show you real quick what I'm going to do to clean it. I got this leather cleaner from Chemical Guys, and also some Simple Green if I want to use it. And I got a bucket of water with this brush. You can see all the dirt that came off the other seat. So I'm just going to take the leather cleaner, and I'm just going to spray it on here. Get the brush. There's so much water. I'm just going to shake out some more water, and then I'm just going to scrub this. And just scrub it really well. I know it says leather cleaner. Some of this isn't leather, but whatever. I'm sure it cleans vinyl too. So this is the seat I don't really need. The seat in the car, the passenger back seat is still in pretty good condition. But I figure for $100, I might as well get both seats. And this is the same color leather that's in the car right now, so it should match pretty well. Then I have a rag here. This is a dirty rag I used off the other one, and I just wipe it off. Let's see what it looks like. It needs some more scrubbing. You can see where I didn't scrub. It's dirty right here. It's better here. I need to scrub this again. All I'm going to do is I'm just going to keep doing that, scrubbing this seat. I really want to see what happens when I hit right here. See what this looks like. Let's see if I can get this stuff off here. And after that, I have other stuff. After I'm done with the leather cleaner, I'm going to try this stuff on it. Ceramic leather protective coating and quick detailer. So So I was going to put a protective coating on it. I didn't read any instructions. I don't know what I'm supposed to do with it yet. We'll see. We'll put that on it and see if that makes it look better. Maybe we'll protect it from stuff they spray it on. Actually, I bought these two chemicals to clean the seats of my Bolt. But I figured I'd try them out on these here. These really dirty. If it cleans these really dirty ones, it's going to clean my not so dirty Bolt seats without a problem. Seats in the Bolt are white, so it shows up really quick. All right, let me see what happens if I clean this up. Straighten this on there. Let's get this middle piece. Get the brush. Let's see. Shake well. Spray leather cleaner on microfiber cloth. Oops. Gently work. I would not doing that either. Surface to remove dirt, stains, and discolor. Okay, I'm supposed to shake it. I didn't shake it. So I did a whole bunch of things wrong. I'm supposed to put it on the cloth, gently work it into the surface. Whatever. Let's see how it worked. Yeah, seeing these cracks, creases, it's kind of hard to get it off. I don't know. Does it look better? Looks like a burn mark. I think it looks a little bit better. Unfortunately, it looks like you're gonna keep seeing it. Let's throw some simple green on it. See that? All right, simple green. Let's see. I could get another. Maybe I need a more stiff brush here. Maybe that would help too. I'm just using the brush. This is the brush I use to clean my tires. Okay, let's see what it looks like. I think it looks almost the same. It might be a little bit lighter. I might have to get some kind of more aggressive cleaner. It looks. I mean, I almost got that off. So a little more scrubbing. This will come off. So what I think I'm going to do is clean it the rest of the way with that leather cleaner, get most of it off, and then I'll go back to the spots and really scrub the heck out of them and get any other spots off. That's what I'm going to do, and I'll show you the end result. Alright, well, here's the seat after I used that leather cleaner. Still have this. I just went around the whole seat and just cleaned it. Same method with the brush. There's some stuff on the armrest. I'm gonna have to scrub a little bit better. And the headrest. There we go. Tape. It's still sticky a little bit. Like I said, I think I'm gonna get that goof off. Put it on there. But for junkyard seats, I think it looks pretty good. The only thing I don't like is that right there. Maybe if I can get the brown off, it won't be as bad. I don't know. Keep it out in the sun. Maybe it'll pop back out. But that's it. Put some of that leather, that ceramic coat stuff on here. I'll put it on this seat, and we'll see what it looks like. All right, here we go. Hydro leather, ceramic leather protective coating, and quick detailer. It says shake it. It says spray it. So spray it on the. Hold on. Yeah, it says spray it on a microfiber applicator. Well, I got that orange towel right there, and then just work it onto the leather. Well, let's see what happens. All right, microfiber towel. And then it says just put it on there and work it in. I don't know if it's going to make it softer. It's actually pulling up some more dirt too. You know what? I don't like to follow instructions that well. Put it right on the material. Well, I think it's working pretty good. No, it says put it on there and then let it sit for 30 seconds and then buff it off with a clean towel. So let's let it sit there. I'll go get another towel. I'll buff it off. Well, I think it actually looks pretty good. It's got a little bit of shine to it. Look at compare it to the other one. This seat is a lot in worse condition now. It's even got wrinkles here. But this, I think this stuff's working pretty good. I'm going to continue to do the whole seat. There's some spots I got to scrub some more. I won't do those parts. But I'm going to do the seating area right here because I think this is pretty clean. It's just like, you know, this here. I got to scrub that more before I put the coating on it. But I'm going to put the coating on this whole front here. I think the back too. The back looks fine too. And the headrest I need to scrub a little bit more. But that's it. I'm pretty happy with this stuff. I wish it would have taken off a little bit more of that black stuff on there, but like I said, they're junkyard seats. I don't know how long they were sitting outside or kind of outside in the elements. I don't know, you know, the car was, I looked at the pictures of the car and it was wrecked and the doors were open, so I don't think they closed the doors or sealed them up. They probably just had it open out to the air. So anyway, yep, I'm gonna go finish that and I'll show you this thing when it's installed and into the car. And also, thanks again. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hopefully, maybe you learned something. Maybe you can go get these products. You can probably use any kind of detailing brand. It's just that this is what I was at a car show and they had these there. It was a good deal, so I bought that stuff. Anyway, I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks a lot. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any questions or comments, put them down in the comments below and I'll answer them. Thanks a lot. See you. Bye. Here's the van that the seats are going in. Same color, but look at this thing. So obviously, there's a big rip here. He's starting to pull the foam out of it. There's a cut over here. Other than that, these seats might feel a little bit softer. These are dirty too. These seats might feel a little bit softer than the other ones. But this is definitely the one seat that I wanted to replace because of that. So the guy, I was going to get charged $200 to replace this piece and this piece, and mostly it's labor because you're going to take the whole seat apart, unstitch this, stitch a new piece there, unstitch here, stitch a new piece there, and he wasn't sure if he could match the original material because this has been faded, blah blah blah. So that's why I decided to just get the new seats. You can see the seats here. Let me see if it's softer. Yeah, this one feels harder. Yeah, I don't know, maybe there's something I can do to try to make them softer, but they definitely feel harder. Power's going out again. Wow.